You can blame it on the market, not on valuations. Yesterday's selling was not because of, the issue was so richly priced that it really found no takers. I think it's markets more than anything else. And for those who've been playing this entire IPO pop game, I think they have realized that they were in for some kind of a bitter aftertaste, so to speak, because it was a flat start, the stock never went up, and there was technical pressure. So yesterday's selling was because of technical pressure and because of markets. At 1800, if you're taking a leap of faith, what is the proposition for Hyundai for next 3 years? It will remain a dominant market share. It has decent margins. It has margins which are higher than Maruti, and it has potential to regain and gain more market share in a very competitive industry. The problem there is that the auto industry is going through a cyclical slowdown. And when you're going through a cyclical slowdown, you may see some more unwinding for not only Hyundai but across the board, I think auto sector per se. So if you don't own the stock, you'll have to time your entry just when things are reversing, because this is a stock where the promoter float is not large, where the free float is not large. It's a stock where incrementally they've demonstrated ability, capability, design and superiority. So the discount between Maruti and Hyundai after yesterday's listing, I think, has only increased. Now I will not be surprised that there would be a trade at some point in time in the market where the arbitrage between Hyundai and Maruti, which was 20% at the time of auto or at the time of listing, is now become 30%, and that I think is a good enough price arbitrage. This company has potential to outperform the Nifty. It is not going to be like a it's not going to be a multi-bagger per se, but yes, it has potential to beat the Nifty per se, and if that is the kind of approach which you want to have in the market, I think this is a safe, stable stock.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.